and support.
Across many regions of Africa, goats play an important role
They are valued for their adaptability and contribution to local and global food supplies. Today,
in daily life, culture, and agriculture.
Regular checkups are essential. Listen to that strong heartbeat. She's in excellent condition, hydrated and healthy.
This one here, he is strong and healthy. Add him to the list.
Yes, noted. We have enough space on the truck.
All right, girls, easy now. Come on through, nice and slow.
Easy now, just keep walking. That's it, nice and slow.
All right, keep coming back slowly. A little to the left. Okay, hold it right there.
Easy now, girls. Nice and slow. Right this way.
The feed conversion rate on pen 7 is slightly below target.
Yes, I see that. Check the hydration levels on the Saanen right there.
in this state-of-the-art facility, the Saanen goats are held in organized lanes, ensuring a calm and hygienic inspection process.
The conjunctiva looks good, nice and pink, indicating healthy red blood cell levels. Now let's check the heart rate.
Easy now, nice and slow. That's it. Good girls.
The movement data for Section 4 is stable.
Good, and the biosecurity protocols are fully compliant.
The logs are showing a steady -8 degrees.
Perfect. Everything seems to be in order here.
Here at the facility, different cuts are meticulously arranged on stainless steel conveyors, destined for local market.
Keep the line moving smoothly.
We need more trays up here.
Coming right up.
As a key player in the global market, Africa exports high-quality goat meat to destinations across Europe.
Behind every package of goat meat is a long chain of people: farmers, veterinarians, drivers, inspectors.
Regular checkups are essential. Listen to that strong heartbeat. She's in excellent condition, hydrated and healthy.